We're getting to the point where a tournament is right around the corner and we really need to pick up the pace on what we're working. Today, we're going to begin working on actually seeing a debate on this topic that I'm going to run through the first few parts and then have you take it over once you've seen the example. The point here is to emphasize the building blocks and how we do this. So between every speech, I'll explain to you what's going on in the debate. The affirmative team is going to go first. That's me without the hat. The con team is going to be me in black and white and with a hat. I know, it's a huge distinction. I wanted to use cases that were given to me based upon the assignment today. Most of you have done affirmative. Most of you have not turned in a case yet at this point. I want you to see examples. You have to research, and that research will lead you to case points. But nobody's going to do it for you, which means you've just got to nail down and do it. If you're having trouble doing it, you need to start asking questions, because right now nobody is asking questions in class, which means the assumption is A, you get it, and B, you're not struggling with it. So if those assumptions are wrong, you need to speak up and get help through this process, because we're getting to a point where we really need to move. So we're going to have the AF team go first. Both of the first two speeches are going to be case reads. You flow each one on its own sheet of paper in one column down the left side of your paper. You want to pay attention and make sure you get tags, but you also want to write a few of the internal ideas, the warrants that make up their arguments, as well as any citations that they use. This will help you figure out crossfire questions and will help you to attack things. So without further ado, let's begin with the AF case.